MOA095. It's available in 5 colors. We have like pink color, which is brick red. We call it brick red, and this is the lilac color. We have black, white, and blue color, baby blue color. Wait, I'm gonna show you the baby blue color. Please wait a minute. It's so very beautiful because this one is minimalist and modest. You know, we are looking at something lately because some sisters are going for Umrah or Hajj. Yeah, look at this. This is in the baby blue color. All right, so 5 colors available, 5 sizes available, from small, medium, large, extra large to double extra large. Right? So here you go. The fabric is very, very soft, very comfortable. I'm sure you will love this fabric. It's summer-friendly fabric. This is really recommended to wear for summer and spring. Summer and spring. For every season. Every season is available. Oh, there are actually 6 colors. 6 colors. Including the, what do we call that? Khaki or cream or brown? Khaki or yeah, we actually have the brown color too. I'm sorry, we have 6 colors available. 6 colors available. So you can look at this. Wow, look at this open abaya. This is how it looks. I love the blue color. Very nice. And look at the sleeve here. Okay, the sleeve with a cute ball notch. You can tie it. It's actually, yeah, it's actually like this, you know. So you can just tie it and it's totally fine. Yes, like this. So this is the open abaya. You can see it's like butterfly style. The fabric is very soft. It's like Nida fabric, soft Nida fabric. So if you love this design, Misha sister, hi Misha, thank you for coming. How are you, sister? You can go search the code MOA095. MOA095. It's available right now. 6 colors altogether. Okay, 6 colors altogether. The inner dress, they got the inner dress, the open abaya, the belt, hijab, and niqab. It's a complete set. Okay, so grab it right now. It's available in our shop right now. Okay, so yeah, this is a blue one. And wait, I'm gonna show you the other colors too. We have all the colors available here right now. I'm ready to show you. All right, wait. 1 second.
اختي اذا بدك تشتري هاي العباية اللي اختي حاملتها، انا رديت عليكم بالكومنت MOA095 كيفكم تطلبوها وسعرها $55 بعد خصم السعر.
Yes, so these are the other color, which is the black. This one is the black, and actually we also have the white, but I don't have the sample right now for the white color. And this one is brick red. It's like pink color. Is the khaki color, okay, khaki color. So 6 colors altogether, right? So you can choose this color, and this fabric is very suitable for Umrah, even if you are looking for it abaya, and then abaya that is like a simple minimalist modest, you can go on for this one.
65.
No, okay, but for another countries.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, sister, this is in USD dollar. In US country, the price is 65 after discount. In another country, the price is 55 after discounts. Okay, except USA.
ويتشي بولد وايت شيبينج يا سيستر بنشحن لكل العالم.
How much is it, sister? Hi, Al Aman. Okay, this one the price 55 USD dollar. Where are you from? Are you from US or another country? Euro price is €46, 46 euro, 42 pound, 46 euro, 42 pound, or 55 USD dollar. Okay, look, I'm gonna show you all the colors one more time. This is like the khaki color, brick red is like pink color, and this is the black color, and then I have this in the blue and purple. Purple, mashallah, yeah, this is purple, and this is the blue color. Okay, if you want to buy, read the comments right now. Sister, read the comments right now how to buy it. My partner already tell you how to buy it, where to buy it. It's very easy, and all the price I tell you is discounted price. Make sure you use the discount code. Sister, can you please screenshot me first? This is the discount code. Whenever you want to buy, use the discount code so that you will get cheaper price. And if you are new, we actually offer free newbie discount have the newbie discount code, and also you can fill in this discount code, so you can use 2 discount code in 1 receipt, which will save your money more. Okay, so yeah, and here you go. This is all the colors I've shown you, and we have the white color. Another one color is white color. Okay, but I don't have the sample, so it's very lightweight fabric, breathable fabric, suitable for summer, and you will definitely love it because you're not feeling hot during the summer. You know, during summer it's very warm and hot, and we need something very lightweight. That is the one you're looking for. Okay, now I want to show you something to wear for the 8th. Okay, for the 8th. Since this is our 8th collection, 8 at the high is coming very soon. I'm going to show you this 8th collection. Look, this is MA135. MA135. It's like a crepe satin fabric. You can see closer. It's actually crepe and satin. All right. So this one is 55 USD dollar after discount code. One piece abaya, no hijab included. Okay, one piece abaya, and it's butterfly sleeve. Butterfly sleeve. Look. Yes, you can see it's captained. All right, and then with the inner belt, of course we have inner belt here, so yeah, you can tie it inside. The diamonds here is very beautiful. Okay, beautiful.